I love yam porridge, but I'm usually just able to eat it once after cooking and that's it. I won't go back to it. But this one, I have helped myself to eat twice and I still want more. And that is to tell you how good this yam pottage is. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great today. Alright, let's start cooking. For this yam pottage, I will be using vegetable oil in place of palm oil. Yes, and once the oil is well heated up, I will add sliced onions and garlic powder. If you have fresh garlic, please use it. I'll fry this for just a minute before adding the pepper mix. For this pepper mix, I used a little tomatoes, red scotch bonnet, red bell peppers and cayenne pepper. Not to worry, I'll list out everything in the description box. After this, I'm going to fry this pepper mix very well until almost all the water is gone. And once that happens, as you can see here, I will add chicken stock, which I brought out of my freezer, and that's it. I will also add more water to cook my yam. I will bring this to a boil, to a rolling boil, after which I'm going to give it a taste to see if I need to adjust anything. In this case, I needed to add just salt, and that was good. Immediately, I will add the yam, which I already cut into cubes. Now we cover and cook this for 20 minutes on medium heat. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Alright, 20 minutes later, they look good, soft enough for the spatula to easily break them. And what I did was to mash them gently. I am not going to mash all the yams. My pottage, I love it to have some of the slurry and a lot of yam, so I won't be mashing too much. So I'm just going to do this gently. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, I am glad you found me. I hope that you will subscribe and join us. Finally, I will add some diced green and red bell peppers just for color and a little bit of flavor. I'll cover again for the last time to simmer on very low heat for just about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, this is looking good. It has the perfect consistency, just like I love my porridge. Most importantly, this tastes way different from the porridge that you're already used to. It is so delicious, so flavorful. The addition of the green and red bell peppers did add some flavor to it, which I really love. I am most certain that if you try cooking your porridge for a change like this, you are going to enjoy it absolutely. Let me know if you do try this. You can connect with me on Instagram at foodieremrem. I love to hear your feedback. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video. I will see you very soon with another one. Bye bye.